Hello bachcho, let us read the question. A block of mass 10 kg is moving in x direction with a constant speed of 10 meters per second. It is subjected to a retarding force F is equal to minus 0.1 x joule per meter during its travel from x is equal to 20 meters to x is equal to 30 meter. Its final kinetic energy will be option A 475 joules, option B 450 joules, option C 275 joules, option D 250 joules. The key concept in this question, इस क्वेश्चन का की कॉन्सेप्ट है वर्क काइनेटिक एनर्जी थ्योरम. So according to the work kinetic energy theorem, the work done is equal to the change in the kinetic energy. So W will be equal to KE final kinetic energy minus initial kinetic energy. KEF is final kinetic energy KEI is initial kinetic energy W is work done. तो इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करने के लिए पहले हम जो डेटा क्वेश्चन में दिया है उसको नोट करेंगे. गिवन mass of the block M is equal to 10 kg. Velocity of the block V is equal to 10 meters per second. Retarding force is given to be minus 0.1 x joule per meter between the retarding force is acting between x is equal to 20 meters to x is equal to 30 meters. तो वर्क काइनेटिक एनर्जी थ्योरम से W is equal to KEF माइनस KEI. तो हमें डिटरमाइन करना है KEF. सो दैट इज इक्वल टू W प्लस KEI. पहले हम वर्क डन ड्यू टू द रिटार्डिंग फोर्स कैलकुलेट करेंगे. द वर्क डन due to the retarding force is W is equal to integral f dot dx between x1 and x2. So this will be x1 30, x2 is x1 is 20, x2 is 30. This is minus 0.1 x dx. So W is equal to minus 0.1. So integral of x dx is x squared by 2 between 20 and 30 meters. तो ये होता है 30 squared minus 20 squared. 30 squared is 900, 20 squared is 400. तो उनका डिफरेंस है 500. So this is minus 0.1 into 500 divided by 2, and this is equal to minus 25 joules. So therefore The work done is minus 25 joules. अभी हम initial kinetic energy calculate करेंगे, which is given by half mv squared. So the mass of the block is 10 kgs. Its initial velocity is 10 meters per second. So this is equal to 500 joules. Therefore, final kinetic energy is W plus initial kinetic energy. W था 25 joules, initial kinetic energy था 500 joules. Therefore, the final kinetic energy is equal to 475 joules. तो हम क्वेश्चन पे जाके करेक्ट ऑप्शन मार्क करेंगे. The final kinetic energy will be, the correct answer to this question is option A, 475 joules. Hope you have understood it well. Best of luck.